In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate the online shopping platform Shein. Whether you are a first-time user or just need a little refresher, this guide will take you through the process from start to finish, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Shein website. Simply type in the website address, which will take you directly to Shein's homepage. Here, you'll find an array of categories and products, all waiting to be explored. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation bar at the top, which features sections like women, men, kids, and beauty. Each section is packed with countless options ready for you to peruse. Once you're on the home page, it's time to start browsing and selecting products that catch your eye. Click on the category that interests you, and you'll be presented with a curated selection of trendy and stylish items. As you browse, you can narrow down your search using filters for size, color, price range, and more, found on the left-hand side of the page. This makes it even easier to find exactly what you're looking for amid Shein's vast collection. After you've found a product you love, click on the item to view more details. Here, you'll have the option to select sizes, colors, and quantities before adding the item to your shopping bag. Take advantage of the in-depth descriptions, customer reviews, and size guides on each product page to make an informed purchase. When you're ready to purchase, navigate to your shopping bag, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. With your shopping bag open, review the items you've selected to ensure everything looks good. If you're satisfied, go ahead and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll have a few options for payment methods. If you choose to pay by card, simply select Credit Debit Card as your preferred method. From there, you'll need to fill in your debit or credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the information to avoid any errors that could lead to a failed transaction. And just like that, once your payment is processed, you're officially done. Congratulations! You've successfully placed an order on Shein. Now all that's left to do is wait for your stylish new items to arrive. As you get more comfortable with the platform, feel free to explore additional features such as creating a wish list, signing up for newsletters, and taking advantage of sales and discounts for an even more rewarding shopping experience. Thank you for joining today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and that your next Shein shopping trip is a breeze. Happy shopping!